No audio. Yeah, thank you, bro. Lang audio. Thank you. Okay na? Okay na. Nilig na. No audio. May nanonood pala. Okay na ba? May audio na. Okay, thank you, Shai. Okay. Ewan ko ba dyan? Kaloka, oy. Alam nyo na, alas 3, ganitong alas 3 dito. Kuha ng watch hour. Anong oras na dyan? 3, alas 8. I'm in Alaska. Oo, wala nga tao. Alas 3 ng madaling araw. Thank you, Miss Breda. I'm here in Alaska. 8 p.m. Ay, okay. Tapos na ang kainan. Ayan. Ay, alas 8 pala dyan. Ayan. Thank you, Miss Breda. Ayan. Ano yan? Welcome, thank you. Busy kayo. Saan pa? Okay. Ay, patulog na pag ganyan. Oo, makapal yan. Mag ilang oras bago magising yung mga tao. Magdadrive na. Mayroon isang tao. There's another one driving.
Yeah.
Kaya lang isa. May isa. Yeah.
See, just that nobody's driven over here lately. So he's kind of got to get around them.
Yikes. Yan siya. May isa nagda-drive. Covered yung likod ng snow. Kailangan talagang praktisado kang mag-drive. Oo, kailangan praktisado kang mag-drive. Delikado dito, kaloka, uy. I think last Thursday, brake light and the brake light hill in the middle, there's a police trying to get somebody in the middle of the lane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, at 7:30. You know how that looks
what a
like.
disaster.
Yep, was a disaster.
Were they stuck or something?
I don't know. The police was talking. It's like